The loudest isn't always the wisest. Today, I would like to share with you an African proverb that I love that basically says in Yoruba,
Agba tí ò lómi ló máa ń pariwo.
this basically means an empty barrel makes the loudest noise. This speaks to people who lack substance. Those with the least knowledge, skills, and wisdom usually speak the most and are usually the loudest. I've seen in life that those who truly know, who have real depth, do not need to make noise. They allow their actions to speak for them. So here is today's thought. Focus on building substance, not just sound. Let what you do say more than any words could. Shalom.